The 1971 Elizabeth II new penny is a British coin that marked a significant change in the United Kingdom's currency system. This coin is often considered the transition from the old system of pounds, shillings, and pence to the decimal system that is used today. To provide you with a 2,000-word article about the 1971 Elizabeth II new penny and its value, we can explore its historical context, design, specifications, and its current worth as a collector's item. Title: The 1971 Elizabeth II New Penny, a Coin of Transition and Value. Introduction. The 1971 Elizabeth II New Penny holds a special place in British numismatics as it represents a crucial turning point in the nation's currency history. Prior to 1971, the United Kingdom's monetary system was based on pounds, shillings, and pence, which dated back to Roman times. The introduction of the new penny in 1971 marked a radical shift toward decimalization. In this article, we will delve into the historical background, design features, technical specifications, and current value of this coin. Historical context. To understand the significance of the 1971 new penny, we need to go back in time and explore the UK's traditional currency system. Before the introduction of decimalization, the British monetary system was based on pounds, shillings, s, and pence, d. There were 20 shillings in a pound and 12 pence in a shilling, resulting in a complex system with 240 pence in a pound. This system was used for centuries but had become increasingly unwieldy in a modern economy. As a result, the UK government decided to switch to a decimal currency system in the 1960s, bringing it in line with most other countries. This transition was not without challenges, as it required not only changing the coins themselves but also educating the public about the new system. Design features. The 1971 Elizabeth II new penny was part of a series of new coins introduced to ease this transition. It was the equivalent of 1/100th of a pound and was designed to be easily distinguishable from the older, pre-decimal coins. The coin's design was both practical and aesthetically pleasing. 1. Obverse. The obverse of the coin featured a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, as is customary for British coins. The design, created by Arnold Machin, depicted a young queen wearing a tiara. The coin's denomination, new penny, appeared below the portrait. 2. Reverse. The reverse side displayed a stylized depiction of a crowned portcullis. This symbol was meant to be a representation of British parliamentary authority, and it was a nod to the historical significance of the portcullis. 3. Edge. The edge of the new penny had a plain, smooth finish. The overall design of the coin was well received, and it played an essential role in helping people adapt to the new decimal currency system. Technical specifications. The 1971 new penny had specific technical specifications that set it apart from the older pre-decimal coins. These specifications helped make the transition smoother and more efficient. Some of the key technical details include: 1. Composition. The coin was made of bronze, consisting of 97% copper, 2.5% zinc, and 0.5% tin. This composition was different from the predominantly silver and copper coins of the older system. 2. Weight. The new penny weighed 3.56 grams, making it relatively lightweight compared to older shilling and penny coins. 3. Diameter. The coin had a diameter of 20.32 millimeters, which was also distinct from the older coins. 4. Thickness. The thickness of the new penny was approximately 1.52 millimeters. These technical specifications made it easy for the public to differentiate the new penny from the old coins and contributed to the overall success of the decimalization process. Value and collectibility. The 1971 new penny holds both historical and collectible value. Its historical significance as the first coin in the new decimal system makes it a sought-after piece for numismatists. The new penny was in circulation for many years, and as a result, millions were minted. This wide availability means that it is not considered rare in numismatic terms. However, the value of the 1971 new penny can vary depending on its condition and whether it possesses any unique characteristics. Some factors that influence its value include 1. Condition. As with any coin, the condition of the 1971 new penny is crucial in determining its value. Coins in excellent, uncirculated condition will command a higher price than those with signs of wear and tear. 2. Mintage varieties. Some new pennies may have variations or minting errors that make them more valuable to collectors. 3. Collectors' demand. The demand for the coin among collectors can also affect its value. If there is a surge in interest or demand for coins from a specific year, it can lead to price increases.